Hi everyone, my name is Jenny Vallejo. The sounds of American English consonants can be classified in three ways: manner of articulation, place of articulation, and voice. The manner of articulation refers to how the sound is produced, on the way in which the air stream is modified and is passes through the vocal tract. The place of articulation refers to which articulators are involved in the production of the particular sound. Voicing refers to whether the vocal folds are vibrating during a production of particular consonant. Good, honey. According to the manner of articulation, the consonants can be classified as a stop, fricative, affricate, nasal, liquid, and glide. A consonant is classified as a stop when the vocal tract is blocked and all the airflow ceases. There's 6 sounds classified as a stop. 3 of them are voiceless and the other 3 are voiced. They have different place of articulation. P and B are bilabial. T, 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 D are lingual alveolar, and G are lingual velar. The voiceless sounds like P. For example, we can find that sound in piece or pear. Tomato, also the sound K as a cow. The one that are voiced like B. You can find the sound on beer, D, deer, or G like ago. There are 9 sounds on this classification of fricative. Some of them are voiceless, others are voiced. The main thing is that 2 organs of the vocal tract are involved, and when they make frictions, that the sounds is produced. That's why it's fricative. Beginning in the front of the mouth, we have these 2 sounds, one voiceless and one voiced. And V, they are bilabial because the friction is between the 2 lips. The sounds and V, the friction is between the teeth and the tongue. And in the middle of the mouth, we have these 4 sounds: S, Z, sh, and sh. And finally, we have the glottal sound. Now, here we have some samples of each one. Like you can find in fail or food, v, voice, um, thin, that, soup, zipper, shoes, um, beige, and here happy. Africa is the combination of fricative, and stop. There's two affricate consonants. The first sound is voiceless, is sh, like sh, and the other one is voice, like sh, like ja, and both are lingual alveolar. Now we have the nasal sounds that all those sounds are voiced, and the main thing they are nasal because all the sounds are produced in the nasal cavity. They have different place of articulation. For example, this sound is bilabial. Can you see my lips? They are together. When you put your both lips together, the sound is the bilabial, and the sounds that is lingual alveolar because your tongue touched the the alveolar ridge, and the is lingual velar, like man, nose, and as a ring, ring. These two are, according to the manner of articulation, are liquids, but they're also called approximate. Our our organs are approximate to the middle of our mouth. This sound is and er, and the place of articulation of is lingual alveolar, and is lingual palatal. We can find this sound later or rope. The glides are also called semi-vowels because the sound of these consonants are similar to vowels and they are voiced. The first sounds that we have here is w as a work. The place of articulation is bilabial, w, because we use our lips. And the second sound or the second consonant is j, and the places of articulation is lingual palatal. We can find this sound on yellow